every time I laugh I choke, and every time I choke I die.
This video should be called Aaron's choking again.
Again? Wait, what?
Aaron's dying and choking again.
Again?
That's the name of this video, and if you don't like it, ah!
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. When the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer. Let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer. Let it be.
Say it again!
Let it be.
Wait, that's okay. I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
What kind of coffee?
Cappuccino, latte, French vanilla cream.
That's exactly.
Let it be. 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 Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me.
I fit some stuff in here.
Let it be.
Why is my eye randomly flashing different colors?
To the sound.
Ew! That is so freaky! I'm scared of you.
Let it be. Yeah, let it be. Let it be. Yeah, let it be. There will be an answer. Let it be. Yeah, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Yeah, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be.
What is this? What is this? What is that? It's my picture.